All right, everybody, I got a compressor for you. This one is going to be as is. There's a note here that the compressor is locked up. I don't know what that means. It plugs into an outlet. It's a 2 horsepower, a 2 horsepower twin tank. It doesn't give me the number of gallons. And the retail price, $140. Call and give me a bid. I've got some beautiful glass figurines here. They're on mirrored bases. This is 2 tulips or 2 roses, and this is 2 swans. They'd be great gift items. They're blown glass figurines. No chips or cracks or anything. Also on this table, I have a battery load tester. And we're kind of crowded today, aren't we? This battery load tester is as is. You can see the cover here is broken and there's no knob on it. So I'm selling it as is. This is a carbon load pile tester. It will tell you if your battery is good enough to charge. And the retail price on that, I think they were $60. All right, I've got a Kenmore bagless vacuum cleaner canister, $49 retail price, brand new. It works. I plugged it in and it works, but I do not have the hose. So maybe you have some extra vacuum hoses. It is a bagless. Oh, I take that back. It's missing the canister. It is a bagless. There is that's right. I went online and I looked this up. Now it's all coming back to me. This item does not have the canister. It does come on though, good. It's a vacuum cleaner. I don't know how you could use it without that canister though. Maybe fashion a bag on it. See, that's a seal that's sealed down on a plastic canister. Maybe you have one that quit working. Call and give me a bid. All right, on the table I have some more of those Valentine baskets. Now, as you can see, these baskets have white and red lace on them. They're very large baskets. We've got a little velvet rose here. Comes with a pink bow. I've got the plastic still on it. Here's some decorative foil paper. There's no melted chocolate in it. I already ate all that. You're bidding on 2 of these Valentine Day baskets. See, it says Happy Valentine's Day on it, and it's red and white. It's Valentine Day baskets. Call and give me a bid. I've got a brand new item. This is an item I made up today. I sorted through all these 1/4-inch sockets. Now, they're not actually sockets. What they are is they're bits for your socket wrenches. You take your 1/4-inch wrench, put it in there, and there's your Phillips bit number 1. I've got Phillips. Look, I wrote on here, I got Phillips, a 1, 2, and a 3. Here we have the square bits. Now the squares come in a 1, 2, and a 3 as well. You want me to put them down there so you can, you're probably zoomed in pretty tight, aren't you? Okay, so you got your 1, 2, and 3 in the square. These are all flat screwdriver bits. And they start at 1/8 of an inch, and they go all the way up to a really big, I've never heard of screwdrivers measured like that, 3/8 of an inch. And then here we have hex head bits that are metric. Now, there are some sizes that are skipped in here. I don't think all the metric ones are here. And then I have hex head bits. You know, these are the same as Allen wrenches. And you've got all the sizes here. These are SAE at the bottom and metric. It's 26 pieces in all. They're bits for a 1/4-inch drive socket wrench. And Harbor Freight sells those. Although I don't think they have any sets that are like this. You can buy the metric sets, metric and SAE sets. They were like 10-piece sets for $10 is what I saw. Call and give me a bid on that. I've been sorting sockets. I've got googly balls that need some air. I don't know how to put air in them. There's 1. Ooh, there's a bright blue one. 2, 3, 4. Perhaps we'll get to look at some googly ball videos on YouTube. 5. Oh, that one's got some air in it. 6. 7 flat googly balls and a punch ball that looks like a mouse. Huh. You know those sell for like $6 a piece. Okay, I've got 2 lamps for you. This is like a wrought iron scroll work looking lamp. Notice that the little plastic lamp holder is broken right there, so you need to replace that, but it's a nice lamp base. And then I have this nice gold lamp base. 2 of the legs are broken off, so you can tilt it so you get just the right light when you're reading. I don't think that's what it's for. What you could do is cut the other 2 legs off and it would just sit down even. It's a decorative lamp. It even has a gold cord. Call and give me a bid on that. Okay, I've got some luggage, some conditional luggage. This is a really nice backpack that has rolling wheels on it, but there's something wrong with the little plastic at the bottom. Instead of standing, that's actually broken. Oh, I see. We got a completely loose wheel there. It's a unicycle luggage. Unicycle luggage. That's what's wrong with that one. Let's find these. What is this? A hanging bag? This is nice. There's nothing wrong with this. All the zippers work. It's green and black. Nice hanging bag piece of luggage. And here we have, oh, there's more. Aha, this is a nice backpack with a handle. This is the one I was thinking of. And what's wrong with this is where the handle attaches to the base. That's broke off inside. Again, it's a backpack, and it's also a rolling suitcase. Two backpacks, rolling suitcases with handles, hanging bag. Oh, this is nice, American Tourister. All the zippers are good, not a thing wrong with this one. And then I have a duffel bag here, a sports bag made out of ripstop nylon. That's nice. So you're going to get all those. Oh, that went with the hanging bag. I can tell by the colors. Colin, give me a bid. How many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags? 5 bags. It's a set of luggage, and it's conditional. There's a story behind every piece. All right, the next item I have for you is a Swiffer mopper. And I was actually using this. This guy actually got damaged in the warehouse. That does not hurt the suction. There's no problem with that. This thing sprays out the... Is the battery still good? I've sprayed it before. It sprays out the water. You put your little Swiffer pad on the bottom. It's got some cleaner in it, and I've got an extra bottle of cleaner. It's a Swiffer wet mop. Isn't that what they call it? And have I bled over to the next table yet? That's the end of table number 3, isn't it? Whew, that was a hard table. How long?